Hello guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use Veroboard and how to be a good solder. So basically I'm just gonna teach you how to use soldering iron and soldering wire to attach things like electronics devices into a Veroboard. So what we have here, we have an Arduino Nano and we have this Veroboard here. So you don't put your component from this side. Your component must come on top here, and then you can put it here like this. So say you have this this part here or anything like this. It can be a PIC device, it can be any IC. So it can be an IC device, it can be an Arduino Nano, anything that's like this. So you have to make sure that you see these lines. So these lines are like this, they go in this direction. So is your device, it must go like this with this direction, so that you will be able to cut a line through to make sure that you don't have short circuits, because the short circuits is gonna burn up your components. So now you have these lines going like this. So now you're gonna have to make sure that this pin here is connected together with the other pin, the opposite pin, and this one and the other one, that one and the other one. So all the pins must be connected to their opposite pins. So this one, they're on the same line, this one and that one, they're on the same line, and this one and that one and that one and that one, all of them. So they're going in pairs. You have to make sure that they're in pairs. So now you're not gonna plug it in from this side, flip it over, you can then now plug it in. I'm just gonna have to turn it around. Okay, put it somewhere here. I think, yeah, it is fine here. And then we have it like this. So now if you flip it over again, you can see that this one meshes with this one. They're on the same line, which means they're connected together. They're connected. We're gonna have to break this contact at the end of soldering. And when we're done soldering, we're gonna have to break this contact, because this pin here isn't connected to this pin. They're connected to the same line. So now we're gonna have to break this contact here when we're done soldering. So let's start soldering. So you can just, like, if you have the holder, you can hold it. Unfortunately I don't have the holder, so I'm just gonna have to put it like this and start soldering. Now this is what you should know: when you are soldering, you don't put your soldering wire into the soldering iron and then go straight to your pin or to whatever thing you want to attach. First of all, you go straight here and then you place the soldering iron until you think this, I think it's a probe, or this pin here is probably hot, and then you can start putting your soldering wire, and then you go to the next one. First put this one here and then this one here, not too much, not too much. Okay, just like that. Yeah, if you're doing it like this, you're going great. Just keep going. If you make a mistake, you use soldering sucker to suck back the soldering wire. Okay, we're done. Look at that.